Hello friends, this is Bhaskar from College Finder. This is a part 4 of our NEET UG 2021 score analysis series. Basically in part 1 we had spoken about the score range of 150 to 300. In part 2 we had spoken about the score range of 300 to 450. In part 3 it was 450 to 550. And in this part 4 we will be talking about the score range of 550 plus. Now 550 plus score range is a very nice score and it's give you many opportunities for government medical college and India's topmost private medical college. So let's go to the slide and see what all topic we are going to discuss in this part. Hi friends, this is a part 4 of our score analysis series, and in this part we are going to talk about the score range of 550 plus. So before doing that, let's recap our part 3 series. Basically in this part we had spoken about the score range of 450 to 550, and yes, government medical colleges are available in this part. You need to do a proper research of state and colleges which you would be opting for. Keep extra budget at it might be on the slightly higher side in terms of private medical college. Be careful about your choice filling. Understand the counseling process very carefully, as there are few states where you will have to give deposits. Consider the PG program. This is also quite important. And if you have a budget constraint, so you can look for the overseas option. There you can do your medical course in half of the India's budget. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the score range of 550 plus. The topic to be covered are score highlight, college status, state highlight, college highlight, counseling highlight, and budget highlight. So in this score range, basically it starts from rank 1 to 55,000. In this, college options are top level, top to mid level, basically government, private, and deemed university, depending on your score and on your rank. Yearly fee will be low to mid range. Total budget will be also low to mid range if you get government colleges. Then fees are very economical. Domicile, just benefit, are they in the states of Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, and MP? And if you are looking for overseas option, then you can avail a scholarship of 80%. College status, basically government colleges in India are 263 with number of seats of is 41,353. Private colleges are 221. Seat is 31,390. Deemed college is 46, 8,550. We have total 19 AIMS with a seat capacity of 1899. JIPMER is 1, 249. AFMC is 1, 150. BHU 1, 100. And AMU 1, seat is 150. Though in this score you can easily get your choice of college in Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. The government and private and government and deemed colleges are available in these states. Budget is mentioned. Uttar Pradesh maximum budget will go is 12.72 lakhs, Kerala 7.6 lakhs, Chhattisgarh 6 lakhs, Delhi 12 lakhs, Maharashtra 10 lakhs, and Karnataka 9.94 lakhs. Basically, in this range, government college are best suited option. So, depending on your rank, you can avail, and you can also look for your domicile in your particular state. Now, colleges in Uttar Pradesh, King George is there, Institute of Medical Science, BHU is there, Jawaharlal Nehru in AMU, Aligarh is there, SRMS, Bareilly is there, Kerala Government Medical College, Thiruvananthapuram, SUT, Academy of Medical Science, Thiruvananthapuram, Medical Trust Institute of Medical Science, Kochi, KMCT Medical College, Kozhikode. Chhattisgarh, Sri Sankaracharya is there, CCM Medical College is there, Raipur is there, Chhattisgarh Institute of Medical Sciences is there in Bilaspur. Delhi AIMS, Delhi is there, basically is for the top rankers. Maulana Azad is there, University College of Medical Sciences there, Hamdard is there. Maharashtra Grant Medical College, Armed Force Medical College, Topiwala National Medical College, Bharati Vidyapeeth, Karnataka St. John's, Kasturba, MS Ramaiah, and Bangalore Medical College. In counseling highlight, Uttar Pradesh is round 1, round 2 is online, mop-up is offline, no free exit, Kerala round 1, round 2 online, choice filling allowed in round 1, Chhattisgarh online, free exit in round 1, Delhi is online, free exit in round 1, Maharashtra online, free exit in round 1, and Karnataka round 1, round 2 online, choice filling is allowed here. You need to be very careful about the counseling in all the states or whichever states you are choosing, and please and please have a detailed understanding of it. Budget highlight, as Uttar Pradesh yearly budget can be 57.24 lakhs, Kerala 38 lakhs, Chhattisgarh 27 lakhs, Delhi 54 lakhs, Maharashtra 45 lakhs, Karnataka 44.73, and in terms of government colleges it will be even lower. Point to consider is look for domicile government seats in your state, understand counseling very carefully, opt for deemed over private medical college, 5 lakh security definitely you will have to keep. Consider pros and cons of each state and each colleges where you are choosing. Proper choice filling you need to do, and in case of you are planning to do overseas studies, then you can avail a scholarship of 80%. So this was a complete fourth part of our 4-part series. So thank you guys.